Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Perplexity AI, ask questions and get smart answers step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Perplexity AI in the search bar. Press enter to search. Locate the official Perplexity AI website in your search results. Click on the link to open the site. Look for the login button in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you want to remain logged in, check the Remember Me option. Once your information is entered, click the Submit button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Perplexity AI account. You are now ready to ask questions and receive smart answers. Begin by typing your question in the designated search box. Click on the search icon or press enter. Review the smart answers generated by the AI. You can refine your questions for more specific results. Explore the platform's features to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.